Hello anybody who's watching this. I figured while I was busy changing out these rear stabilizer links and the sway bar bushings, I would take a quick video how-to. These ones are replacement Moogs that I'd done a few years ago. I will check and put a little card in the bottom of the video to state what year that actually was and how long they lasted. I had to make this special little 17mm bent arm tool to get up onto the flats of these stabilizer links up inside this rear control arm. So what you do is you need to get up in here if you're spinning and you don't have the Allen head on the end of the bolt where you can hold the shaft from spinning. These Moog ones have a 17mm flat, so you have to get up inside this arm to stop that from turning so that you can turn the bolt off. This was actually the wrench out of like a Husky pneumatic set that I had bent to get up in there, and that works for this upper one, and you can hold on to this one while you break off this 18mm nut. This is a 15. You have to get under here, and there are 4 bolts, 14mm, that hold on the stabilizer bar. Oop, sorry about the noise. So that you can get these all off, and then you have to actually swing the bar down to get them out. So the reverse process is the same. Start the 18 through here, get them at least started, and then feed them up through the lower control arm, and then retighten and do all of the I'm going to replace these as well because I think these are worn out. I'm getting the rear end clunk from them. I also took some pictures, and I'll probably write something up and I will put the link below. Alright, thanks.